So why choose IT Pros Management? What sets us apart from the multitude of MSPs that flood the market? Let's unravel the difference for you. In the landscape of managed service providers, IT Pros Management stands out as a unique entity. Our continuous service model operates on a 24/7 basis throughout the year, acknowledging that cybersecurity risks and system disruptions don't follow a 9-to-5 schedule. We are backed by a vast consortium of over 250 industry experts, reinforcing our strength and capability in the IT sector. Our nationwide footprint, reaching across 46 states, showcases our expansive reach and commitment to ensuring seamless IT operations for businesses regardless of location. Testament to our exceptional service is our impressive 97% client approval rating, a reflection of our unwavering dedication to customer satisfaction. While many managed service providers, MSPs, and small IT support teams, especially those with a modest team size of about 30 personnel, provide a commendable service, they often face challenges in offering comprehensive 24/7 monitoring, maintenance, and security alert services. Their capabilities may be further limited by their focus on the local market, restricting their reach and impact. This is where our organization stands out. As an industry leader, we have developed a robust infrastructure that enables us to monitor maintenance and security alerts round the clock. Our vigilant team works in shifts, ensuring that our clients are never left unattended. This commitment to constant vigilance enhances the security and reliability of our clients' IT systems, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. Unlike many MSPs and small IT support teams, our organization isn't bound by geographical limitations. We cater to both local and national markets, thanks to our scalable solutions and advanced remote support capabilities. Our diverse and expansive client base speaks volumes about our ability to adapt to different markets and customer requirements. IT Pros Management offers strategic guidance and consultation to these businesses through our partnerships. They lean on our extensive experience, unwavering availability, and expert knowledge to aid their growth. When you choose IT Pros Management as your IT department, you gain direct access to these invaluable resources. Furthermore, our pricing model is all-inclusive. Most MSPs out there will quote a price riddled with caveats about additional labor rates and out-of-scope items, especially for projects. This approach places the risk on you if a project takes longer than expected, exceeds its scope, or if they lack the knowledge for efficient execution. It becomes a profit center for them, starting your interaction on a note of mistrust. With IT Pros Management, our all-in pricing includes projects, assuring you that the projects we propose are genuinely necessary since our goals align with yours. Many MSPs will offer you their base price, which may seem attractive, but doesn't reflect the true cost to your business. It's merely the minimum you'll pay. The actual cost remains unknown. With IT Pros Management, you get a genuine managed IT department. And there's so much more we have to offer. We're excited to delve deeper and transform technology into a powerful asset for your business. So go ahead and click the link on the page to schedule your free business strategy session, where we will have a direct business discussion on your current needs and pain points. Now, this is not a call full of techno-babble. This is just an initial call between two business professionals to see if we are the right fit for your organization. And remember, with IT Pros Management, you can relax. IT is covered.